What will you do if I tell you that we just recently restored a Google Ads account which was suspended for more than 3 years? The client tried his best to get it restored, done multiple appeals, called to Google hundreds of times, but he was not able to recover his Google Ads account. And what me and my team did was that within few days we were able to restore his Google Ads account. And let's get started this case study, because now the client is working on getting his Bing Ads account restored, as well he plans to work with us on Google Ads management as well. So let's get started on this amazing case study. Now this is the client website. Now this is an approved website, but I'm going to show you the client reviews and how we started this project. So I'm going to show you step by step. First of all, I'm going to show you the suspensions, and then so you may see over here that the account has been suspended for circumventing system. You can also cross match the Google Ads customer ID as well, for your reference. Your account has been suspended for circumventing system and clocking. For those who don't know, there are many reasons why Google Ads can suspend your account. Your Google Ads account can be suspended for suspicious payment, when Google has doubt regarding your payment, like Google may feel that you are not logged in from your right location, you are using someone else's credit card details or something like this. The reasons are many, but I'm just giving you a simple example. Or if you have multiple accounts, you can also get suspicious payment error. You can also get egregious payment policy violation. This is a very severe violation. You can also get counterfeit violation. Now, egregious violation is violation like using robots, boots, text to manipulate the Google system. Counterfeit policy is where Google thinks that you are using someone else's products or selling non-replica products. You can also get enabling dishonest behavior suspension. The suspensions can be many. Unpaid balance. Your account has been suspended for unpaid balance. And one of the toughest, and one of the most popular, most common suspension is circumventing system error. Now, the circumventing system error is so big and it has so many compliance issues. For instance, in circumventing system, the Google can suspend your account if you're doing clocking. What is clocking is basically you are landing visitors to a different page, and the Google robots or crawlers or spiders to a different page. So Google call it clocking. Circumventing system, you may be selling something the Google feels is not right for the end user. You are doing some wrong claims on your website which are not practically proven available. For instance, if you sell a product like lose 7 kgs in 7 days, your product ad will not be approved. But Google says, how 7 kgs in 7 days? Do you have any scientific evidence? Most of the people also make mistakes in their ad copywriting and in their landing page writing, and majority of the people do not know what's wrong with their landing page, which is why the Google keeps on suspending their Google Ads account. So this was such a similar case. This was assigned to us, and you may see over here that these are their ads, and they tried their best to restore. And then when the case arrived to my team, again it's a team effort, not a single person effort, so it's a collective effort of the team. What we did was, one of our team members started communicating with Google regarding this issue. As a Google partner, we have a Google chat support, and we help clients in optimizing, improving the Google Ads campaign, as well as the part of usually because the client works with us for management, and we one of the pioneers in Google Ads suspensions, Google business profile suspension, Google merchant status suspension, Google Ads disapprovals. Now, Google Ads disapprovals is another story. I have ample of videos in Google Ads disapprovals as well, because we provide that service as well. We provide Google Ads management service as well. Even we provide website creation service as well, because we are a full-fledged marketing company as a Google partner. Now, let me show you their audit. First of the audit, you may see over here, you can see the date, today. So you may see it's a recent restoration project. So once we did an audit, while my team was working with the Google, one was working on the Google call, one was working on the Google chat. You may see over here that the website speed was low, and we believe that although it's an SEO factor, but if your website has slow speed issues, Google may not approve your website for the Google Ads program. And apart from mobile view, if you can see the desktop views is an acceptable 73 performance is acceptable, but I recommend you to have it more than 80. And apart from this, we suggested some Google page speed insights. We also suggested looking for errors on the Google Search Console. There may be some errors, broken links or something like that can also cause suspension, because when your account is suspended, now Google is going to look deep down to get it restored. For the website, we thought that the website is a basic ladder and it has an unclear business identity, contact information, and legal info, which makes the user confused, and mostly it looks like a spam page. We recommended adding an about us page, a contact page with business name, physical address, email, phone number, representative number, and including company registration. We also recommended adding social media details, also add footer details, and if we are using third party promotion, we need to mention it. And for that, another thing was the footer contains an external link which was not under your domain and it was looking suspicious. We suggested removing it. We worked on the claims, the content of the website. Sometimes we are adding unclaimed, so the copywriter in our team worked on the content claims to sort around agency pages. They suggested some few things, few wording changes, compliance issues, add copy changes. A lot of things were suggested in this, like privacy policy page. Further page was suggested privacy, terms and condition, return refund policy, disclaimer, cookie policy page, and some more red flags were also being found. Like the site is extremely minimal with almost no content beyond lead capture, which we think is not a good thing. The site I'm going to show you now is an approved site, but the issues were before. That site had no content apart from lead capturing. Essential policy legal pages are external, should be to your domain but not to any third party domain, and the messaging is vague, potentially misleading, free information gift. You are not clear what you are doing, and if you are selling anything, you need to mention that you will or you might later sell on as well, and you are collecting this information. Cookie policy page, other policy page. Copyright issues. The copyright was 2020. It's an outdated thing. It's 2025. October 2026 is on the way, and the people are mentioning this or this. Disclaimer, not Facebook. So this kind of disclaimer was sorted. So few changes, missing disclaimers, sorting out website issues, footer credibility. A lot of things were being sorted around, and because multiple people were doing multiple audits, multiple communication was done, and there was ample of communication which was done on a WhatsApp group which we usually create with our client once they assign the project to us. So over here we also looked around on the core issues of large background images, multiple repeating text block having the same information. We sorted around, we looked on the images, we looked at the copyrighted content, sorted out Google Search Console issues, broker link issues, did little bit of SEO complementary as well to make the client happy, because it says as always extra over deliver, which we did. And we also did the changes on the opt-in form policy page, images, compress the images with tiny png, remove redundant element, some small things as well, some template changes, some external links changes, some script changes, few were further on suggested. And apart from this, you may see around over here, this is a communication done with a team of my team members, consistently in touch with the client, and the communication was done. And then what we did was, once all the errors were sorted, we created an ad on our test account, just to let you know that we also sell Google Ads account. So we did a test because we do not want to waste the client account in getting suspended. So we can waste our account but not the client account. And after this, multiple appeals were also being sent, like hundreds of appeals were sent, and calls, chats about everything which was used to make the process on priority basis. Also, the client was very patient and supportive. Now, before I show you the last part, I want to tell you the feedback of the client. So we got his reviews on our Google Map, and this is their review. My Google Ads account has been suspended for nearly 3 years. I discovered AARSWEBS solution while searching for solutions on Google. I contacted Ali Raza. He written Ali Razi, but it's Ali Raza. That's me. And we worked hand in hand with his team on the show. My team was, fully involved with this project. Outcome: my Google Ads account was reactivated at the first appeal. If you are facing issues with the suspended Google Ads account, I will definitely advise that you get in touch with Ali and his team. Thank you, sir. And the review on the Trustpilot is even amazing. 2 days ago, recent review: my Google Ads account has been suspended for nearly 3 years. I discovered AARSWEBS solution while searching for solutions on Google. I contacted Ali. So same almost review. So you can see around 5-star reviews. Very satisfactory review by the client. And now move on to the approvals. The final and the most interesting thing I'm going to show you are the approvals. Now see over here, update on your account suspension appeal. Great news advertiser, your appeal thanks for waiting while your account 635-303-9586 was reviewed. As long as there are no other violations, your ad should resume within 24 hours. So the circumventing system clocking issue is successful. And another over here is an email from the Google, your ads account has been reactivated. Your account was temporarily suspended to verify your billing information. Now this is a generic email. Whatever error is, when the account is restored, you're going to get this email. You can also cross-match this customer ID as well everywhere. So this is a successful Google Ads account restoration case study. For those who don't know, we are a company based in UAE, Dubai. And we provide even Google Ads account. We help clients with Google Ads management. We help clients with Google Merchant Center suspension, Google Merchant Center accounts, Google Business Profile suspensions, Google Business Profile accounts, Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads suspensions, and definitely Google Ads audit, setup management, ongoing management. And we also help clients with website solutions, web designing, landing page designing, complete Shopify solutions, e-commerce solutions. So we are a full-fledged marketing agency. So in case if you need either of the service, we will love to work with you. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description or in the first comment of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. And just to let you know, we are a Google partner company with the official Google partner badge. So yeah, we look forward to working with you. And I hope you like this video. Take care and bye-bye.